Amended tax filing. Process and requirements. Tax filing is an essential component of financial management that ensures compliance with government regulations while optimizing tax liabilities. For accountants and finance professionals, understanding the nuances of tax filing processes can significantly impact client outcomes and regulatory adherence. The complexity of tax codes and evolving legislation necessitate precise knowledge and up-to-date practices among accounting experts. This guide explores critical aspects of tax filing tailored specifically for professionals within the accounting and finance sector. Understanding the basics of tax filing. Tax filing involves submitting accurate reports detailing income, deductions, credits, and other relevant financial information to tax authorities. These submissions are typically required annually but may vary by jurisdiction and taxpayer status. For individuals, common forms include the IRS Form 1040 in the United States. However, businesses must file different types based on their structure, such as Form 1120 for corporations or Schedule C for sole proprietors. Professionals need to stay informed about deadlines, which often fall around April 15 each year. Extensions can be requested under certain circumstances through official channels provided by taxing bodies. Familiarity with these fundamentals allows practitioners to advise clients effectively regarding timely filings and potential penalties associated with late submission. Navigating complex tax codes. Modern taxation systems are intricate due to numerous exemptions, credits, and deductions available across various categories. Accountants must analyze each case thoroughly before determining optimal strategies for minimizing taxable incomes legally. Deductible expenses differ depending on whether taxpayers operate as employees or self-employed individuals. Business-related costs such as office supplies or travel might qualify for write-offs, whereas personal expenditures generally do not. Home office deduction. Eligibility requires using part of your home exclusively for business purposes. Calculations involve square footage ratios relative to total living space. Mileage reimbursements. Standard rates apply per mile driven for work-related trips. However, actual cost methods allow claiming real expenses if documented accurately. Keeping meticulous records supports successful audits and provides evidence when disputes arise between taxpayers and tax authorities. Regular updates from legislative changes ensure continued accuracy in applying current laws during advisory sessions with clients. Clients' common mistakes during tax preparation. Many taxpayers make avoidable errors when preparing returns, leading to delays, additional scrutiny, or even penalties. Identifying frequent mistakes helps prevent them through proactive guidance from advisors. Omission of eligible deductions is one prevalent issue where clients overlook opportunities to reduce taxes owed legitimately. Examples range from charitable contributions to retirement plan contributions. Inaccurate reporting of income sources also causes complications, especially when dealing with side gigs or freelance earnings outside traditional employment structures. Misclassifications occur frequently regarding asset depreciation schedules or incorrect use of capital gains versus ordinary income treatments. By addressing these issues early via thorough reviews prior to finalizing documents, accountants enhance both efficiency and compliance levels among their clientele base. Technology integration in modern tax practices. Advancements in technology have revolutionized how modern firms handle data processing related to taxation matters efficiently. Software solutions streamline workflows, reducing manual entry tasks considerably. Cloud-based platforms enable secure access to files remotely, allowing teams collaborate seamlessly regardless geographical locations involved in project execution phases. Automation features detect discrepancies, automatically flagging areas requiring attention, thus improving overall precision rates achieved compared manual approaches alone. Data analytics tools offer deeper insights, identifying patterns useful for forecasting future trends, helping shape strategic decisions concerning long-term planning activities. Adopting integrated technologies enhances productivity while ensuring high standards maintained consistently across all engagements handled daily operations-wise. Compliance considerations across jurisdictions. Varying state laws introduce layers of complexity beyond federal requirements, making cross-border considerations a crucially important factor affecting multinational enterprises particularly. Each region imposes distinct rules governing sales tax collection responsibilities, meaning careful tracking necessary, maintaining accurate records, proving compliance when audited later stages. Estate planning involves specific procedures varying widely depending upon location selected, hence importance consulting local specialists familiar terrain particular area chosen. International transactions demand extra precautions involving foreign currency conversions alongside adherence international treaties existing agreements aimed simplification trade relations globally. Risk assessments conducted regularly identify gaps needing remediation, swiftly mitigating chances facing legal repercussions arising non-compliant behaviors unknowingly performed earlier periods. Strategies for effective client communication. Clear communication builds trust, enhancing satisfaction ratings received, post-service delivery experiences shared amongst user groups, engaged services offered. Scheduling regular check-ins enables updating progress statuses, keeping expectations aligned accordingly, facilitating smoother transitions occurring naturally throughout engagement lifecycle durations. Providing educational resources aids comprehension. Complex topics presented simplified manner, assisting clients grasp implications better, enabling informed decision-making processes initiated independently thereafter. Feedback mechanisms incorporated, systematically gather input, continuously refining methodologies employed, adapting dynamically changing environments encountered frequently nowadays. Transparent discussions regarding fees charged transparently establish mutual respect, promoting loyalty, fostering repeat business generated consistently over extended timelines expected ahead. Emerging trends influencing future tax planning. Continuous evolution shapes landscape, continually redefining priorities addressed proactively, anticipating upcoming challenges, prepared adequately beforehand rather reacting belatedly once discovered unexpectedly later points. Growing emphasis. Sustainability initiatives demands revisiting previous assumptions made previously, establishing new benchmarks reflecting shifting values embraced increasingly mainstream audiences today. Remote work arrangements become permanent fixture, altering conventional models applied traditionally, thus necessitating modifications, adjusting calculations accordingly, recalibrating parameters used, determining correct figures applicable. Situation faced currently. Increased digitalization transforms nature interactions undergone previously requiring adaptation, embracing novel techniques, leveraging latest innovations available, maximizing benefits obtained therefrom, fully exploiting capabilities unlocked thereby. Staying abreast developments facilitates positioning oneself advantageously, securing competitive edge gained, successfully navigating uncertainties inherent industry, confronting collectively experienced simultaneously. Conclusion. Mastering tax filing intricacies empowers professionals, delivering superior results, satisfying diverse needs encountered, everyday practice routines carried out diligently throughout careers, pursued passionately, devotedly towards excellence always, strived relentlessly, pursued ceaselessly. Remaining vigilant regarding emerging shifts guarantees readiness, responding appropriately whenever unexpected events transpire. Ensuring resilience developed sufficiently withstand pressures exerted externally internally alike, protecting interests safeguarded meticulously preserved faithfully upheld irrevocably committed forevermore.